everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. And as you can see from the box, I have another collection to show you guys from Madam Glam. And here are the colors. So this is their academy collection, which is back to school collection, and they have 10 beautiful colors in this collection, but I have got 4 here, and this time they have given me a base coat and a top coat as well. And these gels are best applied when you use their base coat and top gel, and all of these colors are inspired by fall colors. So yeah, we're gonna be entering into the fall in September. So I'm really excited to show you guys how they swatch and how they look. They are such a pretty gel polishes. I also want to mention another thing, that all of these polishes from Madam Glam are 9 free, cruelty free and vegan, which is amazing. And also I have a coupon code which you can use, which I'm gonna link on the screen as well in the description box. So next time when you make a purchase from them, use the coupon code and save some money on it. So without any further delay, let's do the swatching. Here's the final swatch of Tomboy. So as you can see, it's a nice deep blue color with some iridescent glitters on them, and they look absolutely gorgeous, and I really love this shade. Here's the final swatch of Drama Queen, and I really like the name. It's a very fall and Christmassy red color, and it's got a nice iridescent glitters in them, so from different angles you see different colors. So this is the final swatch of Daydream, and it's a very light pinky color with the iridescent glitters, and it's a really pretty one, very soft and gentle color to have in your collection. So this is the final swatch of Am I Clear, and it's got a very nice silvery and iridescent glitters, and the camera is not picking the glitter nicely, but it's a really beautiful color. So yeah guys, these are the final swatches of Academy collection from Madam Glam, and I really love these 4 colors, and I've seen other colors also, and they look so beautiful and stunning, so do check it out. I'll be adding the link in the description box of this collection, and also my coupon code which you can use in the end if you purchase any of the gels from Madam Glam. So I really wish everyone a very happy back to school. So if you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already yet. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!